Welcome back to the channel, everybody. What we're doing this weekend is I'm actually going to be riding out to a subscriber in Joburg. I'm going to assist him, and we are going to take an Africa Twin and convert the front and rear wheel from the conventional tube system to a tubeless system. Everything has been bought, 3M products. It's been tried and tested. Obviously it's going to be a 2-day job taking out both wheels. There is work involved. I'm going to be doing a video, but I'm going to via to Joburg on the Mahali's mountain, so I might do some footage over the mountain as well. I'll decide what I'm going to take, either the 990 or the Africa Twin. I'll see, but I'm leaving tomorrow morning at about 5:30. We had a few hot days, so it's getting hot. But coming back to the tubeless system, we've talked about it for months on end. It's a 3M product. I'll put all the details on the link. I'll show you guys what we do, how we do it, and yeah, it should be awesome. Having a tubeless system in the old Africa Twins, what a bargain. The inflation, I think we're going to go with the little bombs. They should inflate 2 bar per unit, but first want to confirm everything. For me, it's in Africa, simply I want to build in as much preventative measure into the bike as I can. I don't want to sit with a flat tire next to the road. I don't want to have engine problems. It's very important for me. You know South Africa, if you stand somewhere next to the road, it's very quickly that people start gathering. And if you're riding solo, that's really going to be a nightmare scenario. So you don't want to be in that position. So let's try and do this tubeless conversion. And we'll give you feedback as time progresses, what we find, what we recommend we do differently. And for those guys that need help, I'll give you some assistance as required, whatever you decide you want to get done. Yeah, and as I said, I'm going over the Mahali's mountains tomorrow morning. Not sure if I'm going to do some footage. I'll see if I have time. Leaving early, still deciding taking the 990 or taking the Africa Twin. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to the build, and I'm sure you guys can't wait till we upload the videos of how it worked out, common issues encountered. I think I'll be doing the video on either Sunday afternoon, Monday evening, I don't know. But I'll keep you up to date on Instagram, Classic Moto 1, and on our Facebook account, Frank's Way Channel. You can go and start following the Facebook account, Frank's Way Channel. We'll be doing all the updates from there, and obviously the videos we'll be doing on the channel. But yes, I'm very excited getting this done. It should have been done. I don't know why Honda hasn't done it. I mean, they have done it on the old XL600 Paris-Dakar model, white 84, 85 roundabout with a bigger tank. There were tubeless rims on that bike. So why it hasn't filtered down to the bigger bikes, I don't know. Yeah, lekker. Guys, enjoy your weekend. Ride safe, and we'll talk a bit later. Cheers, everybody.